Hello everyone. It is a sunny day and this is one of my cats and my dog is barking inside the house. He was digging some holes in the ground lately, so it looks like a small well. I can't stop that either. So I just let him do whatever he wants. So it rained past few days, but it is kind of sunny today. So I just came out to enjoy the nature a bit. I didn't bring the dog because he is just troublesome sometimes. Flowers are blooming, butterflies are flying, and this is the other cat. And the atmosphere is warm, but it is not hot. I love this weather. My neighbors are spying on me, so I got to go. See you soon.